In this lesson, we're going to go through the most common feeding mistakes. Not theory, real mistakes that cost farmers money every single season. Because most feeding problems are not because farmers don't feed. They feed, but they feed incorrectly. And the dangerous part is, these mistakes don't always show immediately. They show over time, through poor growth, poor fertility, and lost profit. So let's go through the big ones. Mistake number 1, feeding without a clear goal. Animals get feed, but there's no plan behind it. You should always know, are you feeding for maintenance? Are you feeding for growth? Are you feeding for finishing? If you don't know that, you are just spending money without direction. Mistake number 2, feeding all animals the same. This is one of the biggest problems on most farms. A dry ewe, a pregnant ewe, and a growing lamb do not have the same nutritional needs. If you feed them the same, you waste money on some and underfeed others. That is how performance drops, while costs go up. Mistake number 3, reacting too late. Farmers wait until animals are already thin before adjusting feeding. By that time, you are already behind. It takes more feed and more time to recover condition than to maintain it properly. So feeding must be proactive, not reactive. Mistake number 4,